Everybody, just wanted to do a quick video today on the EST2-LCD. It's actually this unit right here. I'm going to show a picture of it. Basically, we have the capability to repair those, and we probably have reconditioned stock available for this basically replacement part for the EST2 panel. Now, if you have questions about it, you're looking to replace one of these, contact your account manager. If you don't have an account manager, contact me directly. I'm an account manager here at ISA. This is Nick Dumeyer, so make sure to call in at the number you see, and then also ask for me directly. I'll be happy to help you out, whether it's actually getting one sent in for repair, or if you're just looking to, again, get a replacement, we can help you out with those. So, again, questions on the EST2 panels, especially the EST2 LCD, contact us, let us know how we can help.